Lackawanna Lumber presents Sawmill Operation. At Lackawanna Lumber, we use environmentally friendly timber management techniques to improve the health of the forest. Trees are selected from the woodlot and felled. Logs are cut to length and dragged out to the Wood-Mizer portable sawmill. They're staged uphill of the mill to be rolled down to the hydraulic arm and loaded for milling. Measurements are made to minimize the amount of slash or waste, and boards are cut to size. Lumber may be loaded at our location or delivered within the Ulster and Sullivan County, New York area. Contact Lackawanna Lumber with your requirements. See more photos and description at lackawancalumber.com.